everyone! I'm Asha Denise Morgan at welcome sa aming hiking prep vlog. Today, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano maganda sa isang mountain climbing adventure.
Kaya kung gusto mo malaman kung paano mag-prepare, stay tuned. Pero bago ang lahat, magpapakilala muna kami. Ako nga pala si Michael Pinto.
Kilala kayo guys.
Hello, ako si Clara Flores. I'm Antoinette Gregorio.
I'm Brian Lee.
And we are from grade 12 Hume's Criminology. And now that you've met us, let's talk about the mountain we're going to climb. I'm sure curious kayo Mount Parawagan. Be, saan nga ba located ang Mount Parawagan?
So, yung Mount Parawagan is located siya sa Barangay San Rafael, Rodriguez, Rizal. So, kilala siya sa pagiging maganda ng view tsaka sa mga challenging trail nila.
At speaking of trail, it's a 6-kilometer hike, so medyo challenging, but the view from the top is so worth it, like legit.
Totoo. You'll also get to see the stunning view at La Mesa Dam and Sierra Madre Mountains. Plus, makikita mo pa ang Makati skyline from the summit.
Grabe, apakalatina. But to reach the top safely, kailangan well-prepared ka.
So now, let's talk about the most important part. So ano nga ba yung mga kailangan tindalin sa pag-hike? Guys, ready na ba kayo mag-pack?
Yes, naman!
So, bago kami mag-start, may isang bagay lang kami na tip na iiwan sa inyo. Ano nga yun, guys?
Don't bring too much, just the essentials.
Now, na alam nyo na, mag-start na tayo.
Water. First is water. Stay hydrated, guys. It's the most important thing. Ang hirap mag-hike kapag dehydrated ka. Trust me.
Extra clothes and underwear para if ever man na madumihan or mabasa ka, may pamalit ka. You don't want to hike feeling uncomfortable, di ba?
Sunscreen cap and insect repellent. Don't forget to protect yourself from the sun. Sunscreen para iwas sunburn and a cap to keep the heat off your head. Alam niyo naman sa bundok maraming lamok at insekto, so insect repellent is a must.
Power bank para meron tayong pang-charge if ever man malobat tayo habang tayo ay nag-hike.
Next is trash bag. Pag-iiwan ng kalat is a big no-no, guys. Leave no trace and bring a trash bag para sa mga basura mo. Let's keep our nature clean, guys.
Tali. In case of emergency, baka kailanganin along the way, better be prepared lang.
Snacks. Bring energy boosters like granola bars, trail mix, or kahit chocolate bars. You'll need it para magka-energy habang nag-hike.
Cutting core, any mental na pwede nating magamit sa hike natin if ever man sumama ang pakiramdam natin. First aid kit, don't skip this. Kailangan to kahit sa maliit na cut magagamit mo. Better safe than sorry. Next one is compass. Especially kung medyo malayang pupuntahan nyo. We don't have a compass talaga pero if you have real compass, it's much better. Of course, we should never forget the extra money kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang magagastos natin during our hike. Of course, kailangan natin ng towel kasi wala naman tayong opa sa bundok na magpupunas ng pawis natin. And now, you're ready!
Okay, now let's talk about the most important thing, which is safety. Hiking can be fun pero kailangan nating mag-ingat. So, here are some safety tips for you guys.
Tip number 1, safety.
Tip number 2, pace yourself. Huwag magmadali, okay? Always take a break. Huwag mo i-push yung sarili mo kapag pagod ka na. Hiking is not a race.
Tip 3, stay on a mark para hindi maligaw. Remember, hindi lang ito basta hike. Always enjoy the nature.
Tip number 4, be prepared for the weather. Before going to a hike, dapat i-check mo muna ang weather forecast. Hindi pwedeng sa init ka lang ready. Dapat ready ka din sa ulan o kaya sa lamig. So, prepare a jacket, raincoat, or ponchos. We never know.
And lastly, tip number 5, respect nature. Huwag tayong mag-iwan ng kalat and never disturb wildlife. Let's keep the environment clean so everyone can enjoy it. And while you're hiking, remember, it's not just about getting to the top. It's about enjoying the journey and the company of your friends.
1, 2, 3, go.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you sa Trailheads Hike.